Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in our today's class, that is English class of class 9th. So students, in the previous video we have started reading with our chapter number 7 from the book Beehive. The name of the chapter is packing, right? So in this humorous story we were reading one incident of packing in which the narrator Jerome along with his two of his friends, that are George and Harris, okay? So they all are going for a trip and the narrator Jerome, he claimed to be the best man, or we can say to be an expert in this art of packing, okay? And this is the reason he said that he would love to pack, okay? But in the previous video, in the chapter, we have read that it is not like that. He is not at all an expert. Why? Because first of all he forgot to pack the boots, okay? And after that one horrible idea is there in his mind, that whether he had packed his toothbrush or not, okay? And we have read his earlier experiences with the toothbrush and why this little thing, a toothbrush, it continuously haunts him, right? So that much we have read in the previous video. So now what will happen next, we will come to know. So let's continue the chapter, okay? Of course I had to turn every mortal thing out now, and of course I could not find it, okay? So now the narrator Jerome, he is saying that of course now he had to turn every mortal thing out now. Why? Because he is looking for his toothbrush, okay? So now he has to reopen the bag, right? जो finally उन्होंने बैग को पैक कर लिया था. So now he has to reopen the bag. Now he has to unpack the bag. Why? Because he has to look for his toothbrush, right? So he is saying that of course he has to turn every mortal thing out now, okay? So mortal thing means all the ordinary things, okay? So all the stuff that was there inside the bag, okay? So now he was putting all the things, all the stuff that was there inside the bag, okay? He was putting all the things out, okay? And of course I could not find it, okay? So he was looking for his toothbrush and finally जब उन्होंने सारा सामान बाहर निकाल दिया था, जो बैग के अंदर जितना भी स्टफ था, राइट, जब वो सारा बाहर आ चुका था, then finally he was unable to find his toothbrush, okay? I rummaged the things up into much the same state that they must have been before the world was created, okay? And when chaos reigned, okay? So now the narrator, he is saying that when he was looking for his toothbrush, when he was turning all the things, all the stuff out, okay? So he is saying that he rummaged the things, okay? So what is rummage? Rummage means to search in a hurried way, okay? So he was looking for his toothbrush in such a hurry way that he rummaged all the things up into much the same state that they must have been before the world was created, okay? So actually he is using exaggeration here, okay? He is exaggerating the situation and he is saying that उन्होंने इतना mess वहाँ कर दिया था, उन्होंने सारी चीज़ों को इतना mess up कर दिया था when he was looking for his toothbrush, कि वो सारा बैग और सारा सामान ऐसा लग रहा था as if it was when before the world was created, okay? And it was the time when chaos reigned, okay? So what is chaos? Chaos means all the disorder, or we can say all the confusion, okay? And reign means to rule, okay? So before the world was created, so it was the time when disorder was there, confusion was there, right? So उन्होंने इतना ज़्यादा mess up कर दिया था सारी चीज़ों को कि उस रूम को देख के, उस बैग को देख के ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो उस स्टेट में पहुंच गए हैं that was before the time when the earth, or we can say when the world was created, okay? So he is actually exaggerating the situation just to make the his description more and more funny, more and more humorous, okay? Of course, I found George and Harry's 18 times over, but I couldn't find my own, okay? So he's saying that, when he was looking for his toothbrush and when he was turning all the stuff out, okay, to look for his toothbrush, so during that time, he found George and Harry's toothbrush almost 18 times, okay? But he was still unable to find his own toothbrush, okay? So yes, he was, he was there with George and Harry's toothbrush for almost 18 times, right? But still he was unable to find his own toothbrush, right? I put the things back one by one and held everything up and shook it, okay? So now जब उन्होंने सारा सामान बाहर निकाल लिया था and still he was unable to find the toothbrush, so now he was putting all the stuff, all the things back into the bag one by one, okay? And now he was holding all the things up, right? And now he was shaking all the things, right? अब वो एक एक करके सारा सामान जब वापस रख रहे थे, so now he was shaking all the things that maybe किसी चीज़ के अंदर टूथब्रश तो नहीं चला गया है, So now he was putting all the things one by one, and now he was shaking all the things. Okay, then I found it inside a boot. Okay, so when he was shaking all the things, then one boot was there. So when he shook that boot, then finally he found his toothbrush, and where it was inside that boot. Okay, I repacked once more. Okay, so finally the narrator, he was able to find his toothbrush. Okay, so now he was having his toothbrush, but obviously now he has to repack once more. Okay, so one more time he has to repack the entire stuff. Now one more time he has to repack the bag. Okay, when I had finished, George asked if the soap was in. Okay, so when finally this time when the narrator, he had finished the packing. Okay, so after that George asked that if the soap was in. Okay, so this time also George, he was waiting for this time कि जब पूरी packing complete हो जाएगी, then only he will ask this question. Okay, so when the narrator, he was finished with his packing, okay, for this time also, then George, he asked this question that if the soap was in the bag or not. Okay, I said I didn't care a hang whether the soap was in or whether it wasn't. Okay, and I slammed the bag shut and strapped it. Okay, so the narrator, he's so angry, he's so irritated. Okay, that he's saying that that he didn't care a hang. Okay, hang is show concern or interest. Okay, so he said that he's not having any concern or he's not having any interest, okay, about the soap, that whether the soap is inside the bag or whether it is not inside the bag. Okay, and finally the narrator, he slammed the bag shut, and finally this time also he finally strapped it. Okay, finally he is completed his packing. Okay, and then he found that he had packed his spectacles in it. Okay, and then obviously he had to reopen it, right? So इस बार भी जब उन्होंने बैग को पूरा फाइनली बंद कर लिया तो उसके स्ट्रैप्स भी आपस में एडजस्ट कर दिए थे, उसको आपस में उन्होंने जब पूरा फाइनली बंद कर दिया था. So after that he found that he had packed his spectacles also inside the bag. Okay, तो उन्होंने जो spectacles पहने हुए थे बाय मिस्टेक वो spectacles उन्होंने बैग के अंदर ही पैक कर दिए थे. Okay, and he was needed those spectacles, so obviously this time also he had to reopen the bag. Okay, so now we can imagine that जो narrator claim कर रहे थे to be one of the best person in this art of packing, so obviously he is not at all the best person, he is obviously not at all an expert in this art, right? Because बार बार वो कुछ ना कुछ भूल जाते हैं, कभी कुछ पैक करना भूल जाते हैं, कभी बाय मिस्टेक कुछ गलत सामान पैक कर देते हैं, right? And because of this reason again and again he has to reopen the bag, and again he has to repack the bag. Okay, and because of these silly mistakes, this narration, or we can say this chapter, is becoming more and more humorous, more and more funny. Okay, so this time also the narrator, he has to reopen the bag because this time the narrator, he had packed his spectacles inside the bag. Okay, it got shut up finally at 10:05 PM. Okay, so finally जब उन्होंने spectacles निकाले बैग में से और जब उसके बाद उन्होंने finally बैग को बंद करा. Okay, then what was the time? It was 10:05 PM. Okay, and then there remained the hampers to do. Okay, so finally जो बैग था वो तो पैक हो चुका था, but still there were some hampers to be packed. Okay, so what are hampers? Hampers means a large baskets. Okay, so students, in the picture you can see these baskets are known as hampers, right? जिसमें हम कुछ भी छोटा मोटा सामान पैक कर सकते हैं और मोस्टली जो भी हमारे स्नैक्स होते हैं, ड्राई स्नैक्स होते हैं, जनरली वो हम इसमें पैक करते हैं. ओके, सो सच baskets are known as hampers. So bag was packed finally, right? But still the hampers were there to be packed. Okay, Harry said that we should be wanting to start in less than 12 hours time and thought that he and George had better do the rest. Okay, and I agreed and sat down and they had a go. Okay, so the narrator is saying that when the bag was finally packed, okay, but still there were some hampers to be packed. Okay, so then Harris, he said that now they were only less than 12 hours time. Okay, so जब इन्हें यहाँ से घर से start होना था, जब इनको रवाना होना था for the vacation, so now they were having only less than 12 hours time. Okay, so Harris, he said that they are thinking that now he and George, okay, okay, they should do the rest of the packing. Okay, so the finally the narrator he agreed to this thing, and finally he sat down. Okay, and now they means George and Harris, now they had a go, now they will do the rest of the packing. Okay, so finally the narrator he was done with the packing of the bag. Okay, so and now the hamper, so we can say the big baskets that are to be packed. So now George and Harris they will do the remaining packing, they will do the these hampers packed. Okay, so now let's see how they are doing. They began in a light-hearted spirit. Okay, so the narrator is saying, that they, George and Harris, they started the packing in a light-hearted spirit. Okay, so light-hearted means in a very cheerful manner. Okay, so बहुत ही cheerful manner से बहुत ही happily they started doing the packing. Okay, evidently intending to show me how to do it. Okay, and why they were so cheerful, why they were so extra happy. So the narrator is explaining this thing, and he is saying that it was quite evident, it was quite clear that why they were so cheerful, because they intended, because they wanted to show the narrator that how to do the packing. Okay, so the narrator he was so angry, right? He was so irritated when he was doing the packing. So now when it was turn of George and Harris, and when now they are doing the packing, so they are doing in a very extra cheerful manner, in an extra happy mood. Why? Because obviously clearly they were showing to the narrator that how they should do the packing. Okay, I made no comment. Okay, so the narrator he was having this idea that why they are behaving like this, why they are having this cheerful way, why they are so happy. Okay, but still the narrator he made no comment, he didn't say anything. Okay, I only waited, but the narrator he was sitting there and he was waiting for something. Okay, with the exception of George, Harris is the worst packer in this world. Okay, so now the narrator he is saying that Harris is the worst packer in this world. Okay, so Harris is the person who is totally unable to do this work, this task, this work, that is packing. Okay, and the narrator is adding this thing that George is the exception of it. It means George and Harris, they both are the worst packer throughout the world. Okay, and I looked at the piles of plates and cups and kettles and bottles and jars and pies. Okay, so now जो narrator है he is aware with this thing that both George and Harris they are not at all good in this art of packing. Okay, and अब उनको जो hampers पैक करने थे, जो big baskets उन्हें पैक करनी थी, उन baskets में उनको क्या पैक करना था. So the narrator is saying that he was looking at the piles. Okay, और किस चीज का piles था वहाँ पे, piles of plates and cups and kettles and bottles and jars and pies. Okay, and stoves and cakes and tomatoes, etc. Okay, so all these things were to be packed in those big hampers or in those big baskets. Okay, and the narrator he was waiting because he was very much sure that they will do some mistakes, because according to the narrator both the George and both the person George and Harris they are the worst packer throughout the world. Okay, and felt that the thing would soon become exciting. Okay, so the narrator he was waiting there. Okay, and he was very much sure that the thing would soon be very exciting, very soon they will do some very silly mistakes. Okay, it did, and what the narrator expected, so finally it was happening there, and finally George and Harris they were doing some silly mistakes. Okay, so what was those mistakes? Let's see. They started with breaking a cup. Okay, so जो उन्होंने silly mistakes करने start की थी, so they started with breaking a cup. Okay, so उन्हें hampers pack करने थे, right, big baskets pack करनी थी, and we have read earlier that there were big piles of plates and cups, right, जितनी भी crockeries होती हैं वो सब उन्हें pack करना था. So when they were packing the crockeries, so they started with breaking a cup. Okay, so they broke one of the cup. That was the first thing they did. Okay, but the narrator is saying that it was just the beginning, right. ये तो सिर्फ एक beginning था जब उन्होंने एक कप को तोड़ा था, राइट, स्टिल वो बहुत सारे मिस्टेक्स करने वाले थे. दे डिड दैट जस्ट टू शो यू व्हाट दे कुड डू एंड टू गेट यू इंटरेस्टेड. ओके, सो द नरेटर इज एडिंग दिस थिंग एंड ही इज सेइंग दैट they did that just to show you what they could do, right, and to get you interested. Okay, so writer is saying that they were behaving like this or we can say they were doing those silly mistakes so that जो narrator है उनका entertainment होता रहे, उनके लिए सारा सीन जो है वो इंटरेस्टिंग बना रहे. Okay, then Harris packed the strawberry jam on top of a tomato and squeezed it. Okay, and they had to pick out the tomato with a teaspoon. Okay, so the first mistake was that they broke a cup. Okay, and after that Harris, he packed the strawberry jam, okay, on top of a tomato. Okay, so there was one bottle of the strawberry jam, okay, and he packed that bottle on top of a tomato, right. So पहले उन्होंने बास्केट में टोमेटो रख दिया, right, and उस टोमेटो के ऊपर he put the bottle of the strawberry jam, right. So obviously जो टोमेटो था वो क्या हो गया था, it is squeezed. Okay, so in this picture we can see टोमेटो जो होते हैं बहुत ही डेलिकेट होते हैं. ओके, सो ऑब्वियसली अगर उसके ऊपर कुछ हैवी ऑब्जेक्ट रखा जाएगा सो इस तरह से स्क्वेज्ड हो जाएंगे. ओके, सो हैरिस ही पुट द बॉटल ऑफ द स्ट्रॉबेरी जैम ओवर द टोमेटो, राइट. सो ऑब्वियसली द टोमेटो दे स्क्वेज्ड. ओके, एंड फाइनली दे हैड टू पिक आउट द टोमेटो विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ टीस्पून बिकॉज टोमेटो बिल्कुल स्क्वेज हो चुका था. सो उस टोमेटो को उन्होंने बाहर कैसे निकाला, विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ टीस्पून. ओके, and then it was George's turn. So now writer is saying that Harris was not alone there doing those silly mistakes, but George was also there, right. And now it was George's turn. So let's see George ने क्या किया, and he trod on the butter. Okay, so George ने क्या किया, he trod on the butter. Okay, so trod on means step on. Okay, so he just stepped on the butter. Okay, I didn't say anything, but I came over and sat on the edge of the table and watched them. Okay, so when Harris and George they were doing these silly mistakes, okay, so at that time the narrator he was not saying anything. Okay, so he didn't say anything, but he just came over and he sat on the edge of the table, right, and then he started watching them. Okay, he was watching George and Harris, right. So students, in this picture we can see this is the table and this is the hamper you can see here. Okay, and the narrator is sitting here at the edge of the table and both George and Harris, okay, so they are making so many silly mistakes. Okay, and they are messing up with each and everything. Okay, and the narrator he is actually enjoying this. Okay, so he is watching the entire scene and he is enjoying this scene, right. It irritated them more than anything I could have said. Okay, so the narrator is saying that when he didn't say anything and he was just sitting on the edge of the table and he was looking at them, right. So he is saying that this thing irritated them more than anything I could have said. Okay, so narrator कह रहे हैं कि अगर वो कुछ कहते उन दोनों से, right, तब भी वो शायद इतना इरिटेट नहीं होते जितना इरिटेट वो अब हो रहे थे. when the narrator he was not saying anything but he was enjoying all the things. Okay, and when he was sitting on the edge of the table. Okay, I felt that, so narrator is saying that he was feeling this thing that because of this thing both George and Harris they are very much irritated that why the narrator is not saying anything but he is just sitting and looking to the scene. Okay, it made them nervous and excited. Okay, and they stepped on things and put things behind them and then couldn't find them when they wanted them, and they packed the pies at the bottom and put heavy things on top and smashed the pies in. Okay, so now the narrator is saying that they were so irritated that now they were so nervous and now they were very much excited. Okay, so now they were very much nervous, now they was very much excited because now the narrator he was just sitting there and he was looking at them, right. So जब भी कोई हमें देखता है हमारे काम को ऑब्जर्व करता है so obviously हम थोड़ा सा कॉन्शियस हो जाते हैं. Okay, so the same thing was happening with George and Harris. Now they were very much conscious. Okay, and because of that they were very much nervous and excited. Okay, and now they were doing more and more mistakes. Okay, so now they stepped on things थिंग्स, राइट. सो एक के बाद एक किसी ना किसी चीज़ पे वो चलते जा रहे थे. दे वर स्टेपिंग ऑन सम थिंग्स, ओके, एंड देन दे पुट थिंग्स बिहाइंड देम एंड देन दे कुडंट फाइंड देम व्हेन दे वांटेड देम, ओके. अब जब वो पैक कर रहे हैं, ओके, सो कोई भी सामान उठा रहे हैं, सपोज उन्होंने कोई क्रॉकरी उठाई है, कोई जैम उठाया है, राइट, कोई केटल उठाया है. सो रखने से पहले वो क्या करते हैं, दे जस्ट पुट द थिंग्स बिहाइंड देम, राइट. और जब उनको लगता है कि हाँ हमें अभी पैक करना है, सो ऑब्वियसली वो उनको नहीं मिलता. वाई? बिकॉज वो उनके पीछे रखा हुआ था, ओके. एंड देन दे पैक द पाइज एट द बॉटम. और उसके बाद में उन्होंने एक और मिस्टेक करी. एंड व्हाट वाज दैट? दे पैक द पाइज एट द बॉटम, ओके. सो व्हाट इज पाइज? इन दिस पिक्चर वी कैन सी it is a kind of dish, okay. So it was the dish pies, okay. So they packed the pies at the bottom of the basket, okay, and then they put heavy things on the top, okay. So obviously जो pies है वो पूरी तरह से spoil हो जाएगी, right, and वो पूरी तरह से smashed हो गई थी because they packed the pies at the bottom of the basket and over the pies they put the heavy stuff, the heavy things, okay. So because of that the pies जो थी वो totally smash हो गई थी, totally वो खराब हो चुकी थी, okay. They upset salt over everything, and as for the butter, I never saw two men do more with 1 and 2 pence worth of butter in my whole life than they did, okay. And after that what did they do? They upset salt over everything, okay. Upset means to overturn, okay. So they overturn salt to everything, right. जितना भी सामान था बास्केट में सभी के ऊपर by mistake उनसे salt जो है वो गिर जाता है, okay. And now the writer is saying that if he is talking about the butter, okay, so we have read earlier that George, he stepped over the butter, okay. So now the writer is saying that उन दोनों ने मिलके George and Harris, right, उन्होंने बटर के साथ इतना कुछ किया था that he is saying that he never saw two men do more with 1 or 2 pence worth of butter. It means जो वो बटर था, right, उसकी जो worth थी, उसकी जो cost थी, that was only 1 or 2 pence, okay. Pence is a kind of currency, right. So वो जो बटर की जो वर्थ थी, जो उसकी कॉस्ट थी, दैट इज ओनली 1 or 2 pence, राइट. बट द नरेटर इज सेइंग कि इतनी से वर्थ का जो बटर है उसके साथ ये 2 मैन, इट मीन्स जॉर्ज और हैरिस, राइट, उन्होंने इतना कुछ कर दिया था दैट इन हिज एंटायर लाइफ, इन हिज होल लाइफ, नरेटर ने कभी भी नहीं देखा था कि कोई इतने से बटर के साथ इतना कुछ कैसे कर सकता है, ओके. सो उन दोनों ने क्या क्या किया था बटर के साथ, लेट्स रीड. आफ्टर जॉर्ज हैड गॉट इट ऑफ हिज स्लीपर, दे ट्राई टू पुट इट in the kettle. It wouldn't go in and what was in wouldn't come out, okay. So first of all जो George था, he stepped over the butter that we have read earlier. So now when George, he had got it off his sleeper, right. So butter जो था obviously उसकी sleepers पे लग गया था. So when finally George, he got it off his sleepers, then they try to put it in the kettle, okay. So after that they try to put the butter, the brick of the butter inside the kettle, okay, but it won't go in, okay. And what was inside the kettle, it wouldn't come out, right. So बीच में ही stuck हो गया था बटर का brick, okay. Let's see here. So this is the kettle, suppose, okay. This is the kettle, राइट, एंड दिस इज द ब्रिक ऑफ द बटर, ओके. सो इतनी ब्रिक तो अंदर चली गई थी किसी भी तरह, बट इतनी जो बाकी की ब्रिक थी वो ऊपर रह गई थी, राइट. सो द नरेटर इज सेइंग दैट इट वुडंट गो इन, और जो अंदर जा चुका था वो बाहर नहीं आ रहा था, राइट. सो जो बटर की ब्रिक है वो बीच में ही रह गई थी, आधी ब्रिक कैटल के अंदर थी एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द ब्रिक वो उसके बाहर थी, राइट. सो ऑब्वियसली द नरेटर, ही इज मेकिंग हिज डिस्क्रिप्शन मोर एंड मोर ह्यूमरस, ओके. They did scrap it out at last and put it down on a chair, and finally वो क्या करते हैं, they scrap it out at last, okay. Scrap out means to remove something using a sharp object, okay. So जो बटर कैटल के अंदर चला गया तो बाहर नहीं आ रहा था, so बाहर उन्होंने कैसे निकाला, फाइनली उन्होंने उसको स्क्रैप किया, इट मीन्स किसी पॉइंटेड, किसी शार्प चीज से उसको स्क्रैप करके बाहर निकाला, ओके. एंड फाइनली दे पुट इट डाउन ऑन अ चेयर, राइट. सब बटर जो कैटल में से बाहर आ गया था किसी तरह से, सो आफ्टर दैट दे पुट द ब्रिक ऑफ द बटर ऑन अ चेयर, ओके. एंड हैरिस sat on it, okay, but still there are so many things remaining. So when they put the butter on the chair, then Harris sat on that chair, right, and it stuck to him. Then obviously when he sat on the butter, then the butter, it stuck to Harris, okay, and they went looking for it all over the room, okay. Okay, so now the butter, it is there behind Harris. Okay, because Harris जो था वो चेयर पे बैठ गया था, and the butter it is stuck to him. Okay, so now the butter is behind Harris and they are unable to find it. Okay, and they went looking for it all over the room. They were looking for the butter, they were searching for the butter all over the room again and again and again, but still they are unable to find it because the butter it is stuck on Harris' bag, because Harris he sat on the chair on which there was the butter. Okay, so really it is really very funny, right? And the narrator he is sitting there and he is just enjoying the entire scene, right? He knew that where is the butter, okay, but still he is not at all helping them, he is not at all speaking a single word. Okay, he is just sitting there and he is just enjoying the entire funny scene. Okay, so students, really it is really very funny story, and we will continue the story in the next video. So see you in the next video. Thank you.